Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield, WyckoffSMI.com, LearnCrypto.io. For this week's Week in Review for July 13th, 2025, stocks continue to stair-step higher. I have leaned on the bearish side looking for some type of pullback, and I'm still in that camp. The Wyckoff wave continues, as I said, stair-step higher. The Wyckoff wave new index a little bit slower to the upside. Looks like maybe we're up-thrusting that previous resistance. So again, let's look for it to turn lower. You can see new highs in price by volume is considerably below new highs. That's a little bearish. And the Wyckoff wave growth index, same type of thing. Pretty well sideways here for the last 6-7 weeks or so. And I still think we'll work lower. SPY, I talked about possibly, I think we're still kind of running into resistance up here and a little bit tired. I could see us work sideways for the coming months. So currently that is my thoughts. Emerging markets, I talked about, I think this is an area that will outperform the S&P. I mentioned that when I did the video down there, we was around 39 on the EEM. I think that's something that you want to buy and hold in your portfolios. Let's look for some type of pullback. If we can get another oversold technometer like we did when I did my video, that'd be, I think, a place definitely to add, or if you did not initiate position at 39, I'd look to do so. So we're going to watch that to be a buyer for years ahead. TLT, I think we're going to break lower out of this trading range that we've had going back forever. Let's clean that up a little bit. I think we're going to break below that 83 level and ultimately the 77 level. So if you're not short, I would be short. Not much to add on crude. Came back after the war news. XLE staying up there as well, with stocks generally working higher. But I'm going to look for that to top out as well. GLD, I've been looking for lower. I still think we could break that 290 level. Try that 270, 280 level. I'd mentioned I'm a little short. I still am. Dollar, I've been talking about a major low. And I'm not sure we have done that. I have no strong buy signals down here to give me that, but I'm going to be looking to be a buyer for a nice bounce in the dollar. Bitcoin, we talked about last time. We were down there at 100,000. We was looking for oversold technometers and wanted to be long. We didn't really get the oversold buys we wanted. We definitely were not a seller down there. We was looking for a low to be made. But as you can see here, we zoom in a little bit. Our technometer reached above 50 at this high here, which gave us 10-day sideways. Also, we had an overbought back here that gave us the sell at 110 on the way to 98. And then we did touch a sell around 117,700, I think it was, where we did register overbought. You can see the daily. We haven't really did a daily above 50, but we're right there. So once again, I think there's a possibility that we're maybe finishing an ABC of the upside here, if you like smelly a wave, and that would mean we have an ABC down or 5 waves down. So with this technometer right overbought, I think Bitcoin could pull back. I did mention on SOL down there at the lows that we could get a rally to 168. We went to 168.20, and I'd mentioned in the Discord I thought that we could see a pullback here. And again, I still think some of these alts could pull back. So let's look for stocks to still roll over. Let's look for Bitcoin to roll over and get us into entries in some of these markets in the near future. Have a great week trading.